Hello children, today we are going to study about adverbs and adverbials. Now adverbs is a part of parts of speech. Yes, we all know that there are 8 parts of speech. Now adverb, from the name itself we can understand that adverb, that it is giving more information about the verb. Yes, it also tells us something more about an adjective or another adverb. Right? Now we have kinds of adverbs, like we have kinds of noun. Yes, similarly we are also having kinds of adverbs. We also studied kinds of adjectives. Next, so first one is adverb of manner. Yes, manner मतलब कैसा. This tells us about how or in what manner something happens. कैसा होता है. Yes, it ends with normally, ly. Correct? See, easily, I did that sum easily. How did you do? Easily. Quickly, boldly, tiredly, lovingly. Well, this is not kuwa. Well means okay, good. Fast. Yes, so these all are adverb of manner. मतलब क्या बताता है कैसा. If I have to ask some question, कैसा था? Yes, so the answer will be adverb of manner. Correct? See, the little girl spoke softly to that cat. Now, softly is the adverb. I know that. But which type? It is adverb of manner. कैसा था? कैसे बात किया? Softly बात किया. Next, adverb of place. जगह. कहाँ? Where. This tells us where something happens. Outside, inside, up, down, here, there, etc. So, ये सब कहाँ पे आएंगे? एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस पे आएंगे. एग्जाम्पल, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन वॉक्ड इन. यस, आई लाइक टू प्ले आउटसाइड. कहाँ? आउटसाइड. सो दीज ऑल आर एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. यस, द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस इट विल बी इजीली कमिंग टू यू. नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. समय बताता है. कब? व्हेन. So this tells us when something happens. Kab. So we need to ask when, the question when. Today, yesterday, now, soon, before, after. So these all are the examples. Yes, I will finish my work today. Kabhi? Aaj. Right? So ये today क्या हुआ? Adverb of time. The performers will meet for the discussion today. कब? आज. सो टुडे इज एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. देन एडवर्ब ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी मतलब कितने बार. हाउ ऑफन. आई ब्रश माई टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. करेक्ट. सो ट्वाइस क्या है? ये है फ्रीक्वेंसी. बार बार करते हैं हम. नेवर, रेयरली, ऑफन, सेल्डम, हार्डली, फ्रिक्वेंटली. The school often takes the students for a picnic. हमेशा, normally, always. Yes, वो लेके जाते हैं. So this is adverb of frequency. Then it is adverb of degree. This tells us the strength or intensity. मतलब कितना ज़्यादा, कितना. The pizza is too hot. So कितना hot है? It is too hot. Yes, too, very. ये सब क्या है? Adverb of degree. Yes, so we studied adverbs and their kinds. Adverb of manner, कैसा. Adverb of place, कहाँ. Adverb of time, कब. Adverb of frequency, कितने बार. Adverb of degree, कितना ज़्यादा. Correct. So these all are adverbs, kinds of adverbs. Now normally adverbs are used at the beginning of the sentence, in the middle of the sentence, or at the end of the sentence. See, stealthily, the thief broke open the lock. This is the adverb. I rarely work on my book at night. So adverbs starting में भी हो सकते हैं, middle में भी हो सकते हैं, and it can be at the end also. Right? Then comes adverbials. Now adverbials means word, phrase or clause. Word, phrase or clause which act as adverb. जो adverb के जैसे काम करता है. That does the work of an adverb. So they are adverbials. We arrived at the concert early. Yes, जल्दी आ गए हम. So early is a word. It is adverbs. adverbial. Then we arrived at the concert before time, मतलब पहले आ गए. So this is a phrase, before time. So this phrase is working as adverb. इसीलिए ये before time क्या हो गया? Adverbial. Then we arrived at the concert before it was time. So this before it was time is a clause. Yes, अब ये clause किसका काम कर रहा है? Adverb का काम कर रहा है. इसीलिए ये क्या हो गया है? Adverbials. Now adverbials we need to keep in mind that it is a word, phrase or clause which act as adverb or which does the work of adverb. Adverb का काम करता है, that is adverbials. Yes. Now see here. Pick out the adverbials in the following sentence. There were many shops and offices in the square. So in the square क्या है? Phrase है, right? So but this is doing the work of adverb. So in the square is the adverbial. Clear? I hope this chapter is clear. Okay. Thank you.